Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw sponsorship payments via Patreon to US Bank, beginner guide step by step clearly. To withdraw sponsorship payments from Patreon to a US Bank account, start by logging into your Patreon account. Once logged in, navigate to your creator dashboard. From the dashboard, click on the Payouts tab located in the left-hand menu. In the Payouts section, you'll see your earnings summary. Choose the Edit Payout Method option. If you haven't set up a payout method yet, select Add a Payment Method. Choose Bank Transfer as your preferred method. Fill in your bank account details, including your account number and routing number. Make sure to double-check the information for accuracy. Once you've entered your details, click on Save. Next, you may see a button that says Withdraw Funds. Click on this button to initiate the withdrawal process. Select the amount you wish to withdraw. Confirm the details and click on Withdraw. Patreon will process your request, which may take a few days to complete. You'll receive a notification once your funds are transferred to your bank account. Remember to keep track of any transaction fees that may apply. Be sure to verify that the funds appear in your bank account after processing. That's it. You've successfully withdrawn sponsorship payments from Patreon to your US Bank account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.